Want to lose weight without starving? Here is a simple, healthy meal plan I follow every day to stay fit, full, and happy. Let's get started. Losing weight does not mean you have to eat less, it means you have to eat smart. Today, I will share what I eat in a day to stay healthy and lose weight slowly and safely. All meals are easy to make and taste great. Breakfast. I start my day with a glass of warm water and half a lemon. This helps clean my body and wake up my stomach. After that, I eat a healthy breakfast. I usually make oats with fruits. I cook half a cup of oats with water or low fat milk. Then I add banana slices, apples, or berries. I also add a spoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. This meal is full of fiber. It keeps me full for 3 to 4 hours. If I want something different, I make boiled eggs and toast them. 2 eggs, 1 slice of whole grain toast, and some cucumber slices make a nice mix of protein and fiber. Mid morning snack. A few hours after breakfast, I feel a little hungry, so I eat a healthy snack. I take a small handful of almonds or walnuts. Nuts give me energy and keep me full. Sometimes I have a green apple or carrot sticks. These snacks are light but filling. Lunch. For lunch, I keep it simple but balanced. I usually eat grilled chicken or chickpeas with brown rice or quinoa. I add a lot of vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, cucumber, and carrots. I drizzle a little olive oil and lemon juice as dressing. If I don't have time to cook, I make a healthy wrap. I use a whole wheat tortilla, add grilled chicken or tofu, vegetables, and hummus. It's easy to pack and perfect for busy day. Afternoon snack. In the afternoon, I drink green tea with a light snack. I usually go for Greek yogurt with a few berries or a rice cake with peanut butter. These snacks help me avoid cravings for junk food. Dinner. Dinner is light and healthy. I eat it before 8 p.m. A common dinner for me is vegetable soup with a small bowl of lentils. I also enjoy steamed broccoli, sweet potato, or a big salad with boiled eggs or tofu. I avoid rice or heavy carbs at night. This helps with digestion and weight loss. If I am still hungry, I drink a glass of warm milk or have one date before bed. Water intake. I drink about 2 to 3 liters of water every day. I also drink green tea and herbal tea. Staying hydrated helps control hunger and keeps skin cleaner. Tips I follow. I don't skip meals. I eat slowly and stop when I am full. I plan my meals ahead to avoid fast food. I enjoy cheat meals once a week. This keeps me happy and motivated. This is my healthy meal plan for weight loss. It's easy, affordable, and full of real food. Remember, weight loss takes time. Eating right every day is more important than dieting for 1 week. If you want to lose weight, try to follow a plan that works for your body and your routine. You don't have to be perfect, just be consistent. Eat healthy, move your body, and drink water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips. See you next time.